Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to put two clips together in Adobe After Effects. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Adobe After Effects program right here on your PC if you haven't already, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by the main page right here, which is the home page, and you will be greeted by the menu where you can get started creating your compositions. You want to go ahead and select your composition quality, you want to fill out all the info that you need. After that, click OK and you will get started. And now we can go ahead and get started with opening up our project or creating a new project if we do not already have one. So let's go ahead and see how to put two clips together in our project. So basically guys, the first thing we want to do to be able to put two clips together is to import those clips into our project. So we can either do that by finding the folder where they are at and then clicking on them and dragging them into the program right here. They're going to go ahead and appear under our composition, and we'll be able to start adding the videos right here and editing them. But if we want to do it a different way, what we can do is click the file option right here in the upper left corner, and in the new menu that appears, go ahead and find the import button. Under import is going to appear a new menu, and we want to go ahead and select multiple files. And with multiple files, we want to go ahead and find the videos that we want to import, or we can just go ahead and select file by file, doesn't matter. And you can even import Adobe Premiere Pro and so on, and start importing the files right here. So the videos are going to appear right here. So once you have your videos right here, what you can do is go ahead and click on them and drag them. So you will want to create layers of the videos, and this is the timeline right here where we can see how long our videos are. So what we want to do is put the video right here and put the next video next to it right here, so that either plays up after the one we have already created and put right here, or before, and so on. You want to go ahead and start mixing them up. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.